A Walmart wrong item delivery is usually fixed through the app in under a few minutes by selecting the order, tapping Help with Order, and choosing the item issue so Walmart can refund or reship it without you calling support. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to report the wrong item, what Walmart does after you submit it, and what to do if the refund or replacement doesn't show up. First thing is checking the order details in the Walmart app. Open your account, go to Orders, and tap the delivery that has the problem. This matters because Walmart ties every refund and replacement to that exact order ID, not just the item name. Next, tap Help with Order. This is where most people get stuck because they expect a phone number or live chat first. Instead, Walmart pushes everything through a self-report flow. Select missing or incorrect items, and then choose the specific product that was wrong. At this point, you'll usually see two options, refund or replacement. If the item is cheap or out of stock, Walmart often defaults to a refund. If it's still available in your area, you may get a replacement delivery scheduled automatically. You just confirm the issue and submit it. If the app doesn't show the option you need, use the Chat with Us button in the same help section. This connects you to Walmart support without restarting the process. You'll want to clearly state wrong item delivered and give the order number so they don't ask you to repeat steps. There's also a timing factor that matters. Reporting it right after delivery usually gets faster approval because the order is still open in their system. Waiting too long can shift it into a standard review process, which takes longer and may require photo proof of the item you receive. If nothing happens after submission, go back into the same order page and check Order Updates. Refunds typically appear there before they hit your bank or card. So the key points are simple. Use the order page, go through Help with Order, and submit the item issue clearly. If it stalls, use chat support instead of starting over. Next step is to open your most recent Walmart delivery and check if any item needs reporting before the order window closes. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for common app and delivery problems.